Welcome to English Conversation. We are helping you to improve your English speaking and listening. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
We are all fine.
Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Today's topic is how to improve English speaking and listening. Improving your English speaking and listening skills can be achieved through consistent practice and exposure to the language. Here are some effective strategies you can implement. Sarah, please tell us 5 strategies for improving English listening and speaking.
Strategies 1. Surround yourself with English.
Surround yourself with English. Immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Watch English movies and TV shows, listen to English music and podcasts, and read English books and newspapers. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more familiar it will become.
Strategies 2. Practice speaking regularly.
Practice speaking regularly. Find opportunities to speak English, even if it's with yourself or a language exchange partner. Practice speaking out loud, engage in conversations with native speakers or fellow English learners, and participate in language clubs or conversation groups. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become.
Strategies 3. Listen actively.
Listen actively. When listening to English, focus on understanding the content and the context. Pay attention to the pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm of the speakers. Practice listening to different accents and speeds of speech. Podcasts, audiobooks, and TED Talks are excellent resources for improving listening skills.
Strategies 4. Use language learning apps and websites.
Use language learning apps and websites. Utilize online platforms and language learning apps that offer listening and speaking exercises, interactive activities, and speech recognition features. Some popular apps include Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone.
Strategies 5. Repeat and mimic.
Repeat and mimic. Listen to native English speakers and repeat what they say to practice pronunciation and intonation. Mimicking their speech patterns will help you develop a more natural-sounding accent and improve your overall fluency.
Sarah, please stop and sit down. Thank you so much for explained. Nora, please stand up and explain more 5 strategies.
Strategy 6. Engage in conversations.
Engage in conversations. Don't be afraid to initiate conversations in English, whether it's with native speakers or other English learners. Join online forums or language exchange platforms where you can interact with people who are also learning English or native speakers, willing to help.
Strategy 7. Practice with tongue twisters and pronunciation exercises.
Practice with tongue twisters and pronunciation exercises. Tongue twisters are challenging phrases that help you practice specific sounds and improve your pronunciation. Look for tongue twisters online and practice them regularly. Additionally, you can find pronunciation exercises or videos that focus on specific sounds or word stress patterns.
Strategies 8. Record and listen to yourself.
Record and listen to yourself. Record your own voice while speaking in English and listen to it. This will help you identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation, intonation, and clarity. You can also compare your recordings to native speakers or English learning resources to gauge your progress.
Strategies 9. Take advantage of online resources.
Take advantage of online resources. Explore websites, YouTube channels, and apps that provide free English lessons, grammar explanations, and interactive exercises. Some popular resources include BBC Learning English, English Club, and Engvid.
Strategies 10. Consider taking English courses.
Consider taking English courses, if possible. Enroll in an English language course or hire a tutor who can provide personalized guidance and feedback on your speaking and listening skills. They can help you identify areas that need improvement and provide targeted exercises.
Thank you so much all for explaining very well.